Today I'm in beautiful Waikiki Beach, Hawaii. So of course, I'm going to talk about elevators. The Aston Waikiki Beach is a 22-story high-rise hotel that was originally built shortly after Oahu cooled from lava and was last updated in the mid-2000s. During the renovation, the original Otis elevators were updated with a retrofitted Schindler Miconic TX control system. This replaces the conventional up and down buttons and the buttons for floors on the inside of the elevator car. Instead of the intuitive control setup that we're all used to, there's actually a system that's so complicated that you have to watch a video to understand just how to get to your floor. The valet station on the first floor and the third floor lobby are both accessible without a keycard, but to get to any of the other floors you actually have to have an RFID-enabled keycard issued by the hotel. One thing I didn't do was check to see if having a keycard allowed you access to all the floors or just the floor your room was on. It's easy enough to program that into the system, though, if that's a desired feature. Once you punched in your floor and swiped your card if required, the elevator system will tell you which car to wait for. The system was originally designed for extreme high-rise buildings to reduce wait times and increase the overall capacity of the elevator system by grouping people together by their destination floor. Once you're inside the elevator, you'll notice that there are no windows and no doors. Oh wait, that's the wrong elevator. But there is no panel in there that you can hit with buttons for destination floors. There's a display that shows you the direction you're going, and a separate display that shows you what the eventual destination floors actually are. I suppose it works well enough, but it's a little overcomplicated if you ask me.